Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the verification failed error on Coinbase in 2026. Are you seeing the verification failed error on Coinbase? Just like this one. It says ID verification required. Your verification failed. We weren't able to verify your ID for the following reasons, and please click here for more information. So if you're encountering this issue, here's how to fix it step by step. Now let's follow these few simple steps together. Before we start, Coinbase is a secure online platform for buying, selling, transferring, and storing cryptocurrency. And if you want to join this platform, you're gonna go to either to the website coinbase.com, or you can download the application via the Play Store or App Store, depending on which device you're using. Now, once you download it, you're gonna go here and make sure to sign in with your Coinbase account if you already have one. And if you don't, you're gonna click on sign up and create an account from the start. Once you finish setting up your account, you're gonna make sure the name, date of birth, and address matches exactly with your official ID. Now, after here, we're gonna see this right here. Now, once you click on Manage Accounts, you're gonna edit your legal name and check your information here. And you can upload the verification. You can retake your ID photo in good lighting. You can avoid glare, blur, or cropped edges in your documents. And after that, you're gonna make sure to update the app. Then make sure your Coinbase app is updated to the latest version if you're using the mobile version. And also try to clear the cache or use desktop. If the apps keep failing, try logging in through a desktop browser instead and check the supported documents. Make sure you're using supported ID types like passports or national ID, like here. Upload them in this section right here. Make sure the documents are clear and are readable and no information is blurry. And once you do that, you're gonna contact the support if needed. If it still fails after multiple attempts, you're gonna contact the Coinbase support and submit a verification ticket. And also use a stable internet connection during verification to avoid upload errors. And that's it. That's how you fix the verification failed issue on Coinbase. And if you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.